So after the high-end gaming laptop, today I brought a compact, sleek and powerful laptop for creativity. Asus Zenbook S14 Oled with latest Intel Core Ultra 7 2nd series processor. So without any delay, let's test it and see how it performs. So hello guys, welcome to Shooting Smart 2.0. Let's start. So before start the test, let's go through its hardware configurations. First of all, the CPU. It is Intel Core Ultra 7 258V processor, which is a second series processor of latest Intel Core processors. It has a total of 8 cores, which includes 4 performance cores and 4 low power efficient cores, and total 8 threads with 12 MB of Intel Smart Cache memory. And this processor's maximum turbo frequency is 4.8 GHz, and as you know, Ultra series processors are optimized for AI tasks. So this processor can process up to 115 tera operations per second. Next, move to the memory. This laptop has 32 GB of DDR5 onboard RAM and the clock speed is 8533 MHz. For storage options, this laptop has a WD1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, which read speed is 5000 Mbps and write speed is 3500 Mbps as tested. Next, go through connectivity options. It has latest Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, which are the super fast internet connectivity and Bluetooth transfers. Next, about the graphic, this laptop has integrated GPU of Intel Arc 140 with 16 GB of shared memory. Let's see in the gaming part how it performs. At the last, this processor optimized for AI tasks, so it has a dedicated NPU chip with 16 GB of shared memory, Intel AI Boost. So before starting the gaming test on this sleek laptop, let's go through its benchmark score I tested. First of all, the PC Mark 10 gives it 6877. Next, 3D Mark times by 3592, and Cinebench R23 scores are as you see single core 1868 and multi-core 9011, and Geekbench 6 gives it single core scores of 2705 and multi-core score 10713, and GPU OpenCL ComputePay scores 29561, and the last one is Crossmark, is overall score is 1804. So finally, let's start the gaming test on this sleek laptop, starting with my favorite Sniper Elite 4 with the game settings of Full HD plus resolution and high graphics settings.
That's the recto.
So as you see, I am playing the game smoothly with the CPU usage of 45% and GPU usage of 100% with 80-degree temperature and 28 watt of TGP. 12 GB of RAM using, and frames gives it 100 to 150 FPS. Moving to the next game, this is World War Z with Full HD plus and high graphics settings.
Be more careful. Auto turret online!
So as you saying, the CPU usage is 50% and GPU usage of 90%, 80-degree temperature and 28 watt of TGP. It is using 16 GB of RAM and gives 100 plus FPS continuously. And the last game is the adventure game Rise of the Tomb Raider, and I'll keep the same settings, Full HD plus resolution and high graphics settings.
Feels pretty solid here, but keep close to the wall.
Okay. Looks like we climb from here.
Keep your eyes open for falling ice.
Right. You ready?
Let's do it! There's lots of loose ice up here!
Let's take it slow and steady. Just stay with me.
So as you see the statics, CPU uses 20%, GPU using 100% with a 80 degree of temperature and 28 watt of TGP. It is using 11 GB of RAM and gives 50 FPS frame rate. So as you seen, all games played smoothly with high graphics settings and full HD plus resolution. There is no lag issue and no heating issue. Temperature management is awesome. Maximum temperature seen during the gameplay is 80 degrees Celsius, so thermals are awesome. But one thing I didn't understand, that this CPU has a maximum TDP of 37 watt, but why it can't stuck at 28 watt? So this is all about this laptop's configuration and performance. Now let's talk about its physical overview. Start from the build quality. This laptop has a metal build in palm rest and bottom, and a unique build quality at the top lid with a ceramic and aluminum, and Asus called it Ceraluminium. And this Zenbook comes in two color variants. This one is Zumaya Grey. Also this comes in Scandinavian white. Next, come to this laptop's immersive display. This laptop has a 14-inch 3K OLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 and 16:10 aspect ratio, 500 nits peak brightness, and 100% DCI-P3 wide color gamut. Also it has a 120 Hz of refresh rate. Contrast ratio is 1,000,000:1, and this is a touch screen with stylus pen support. Moving to the next, this laptop has a backlit chiclet keyboard with Copilot key and a precision touchpad with multi-touch supported. And on the top of the display you will get a full HD IR camera with Windows Hello support. The keyboard is in grey color with dedicated Copilot key, and both display and keyboard is a light sensor, so it has auto brightness feature. Next, about the audio feature, this laptop has stereo speakers with Harman Kardon premium audio with Dolby Atmos support and volume booster, so you can hear up to 150% audio more louder. And for audio recording, it has dual array microphone with noise cancellation and supports 360-degree audio recording and more features in My Asus app. And this Zenbook powered up with a 4-cell 72 watt-hour battery and 65 watt of Type-C adapter, which charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. Connectivity options for data transfer and sharing in this laptop available as 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and 1 Type A USB 3.2 port and 1 HDMI 2.1 TMDS and 1 headphone and microphone combo jack. Thunderbolt 4 ports are used for DisplayPort, power delivery and fast data transfer up to 40 Gbps. In the last, about its preloaded softwares, it has a Windows 11 Home single language and Microsoft Office 2021 Home and Student. With My Asus app, you can optimize all the OLED settings, audio settings, microphone and battery optimizations with performance mode switch. So these are all the things about this Asus Zenbook S14 OLED laptop. I think this is an awesome laptop for creators and for portability users. I tested its maximum performance with gaming and benchmark scores, and I think it's best performing laptop with ultra graphics and ultra processor. This processor's Intel R graphics performs very well with 100% of usage, so you can perform your all 3D AI and graphics task very easily. And this is a Evo certified Zenbook, so you can get up to 10 hours of battery backup with non-stop working. Budget of this laptop cost up to 1,50,000 rupees. You can purchase it from the link in the description. This is all about in this video. I hope you liked it. I will meet you in next gaming detailed review. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.